What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be taking apart this beautiful car because I already tried to fix this once. This side's even worse. This year Mustang is notorious for the door panels coming off because Ford uses cheap glue, and when it gets hot, the glue melts, causing this to fall down and look like it's bad. So what we're gonna do is take the entire door off so I can take the someone to get replaced. So we're gonna take the entire inside of the door off. We're not gonna take the entire door off the car because that's unnecessary. So I'll see you guys when we get to the place with all the tools. So we made it. We gotta get the tools. Taking these door panels off. Luckily, what we need here. All those pliers. Screwdriver. So I got basically a screwdriver. You can put a bit in. It says 7mm screws all around the inside of the doors. Take all of those off, and then we'll take this panel off here, this guy off, and then there's a panel in here that you take off. And then after that, you'll be able to lift up on the door panel and you'll unhook some electrical stuff and be able to take this bad boy off.
He's sick, boy!
Got the first door panel off. That only took like maybe 10 minutes, if that. Probably like 5. It's pretty easy. Just a lot of bolts around the edges. I think the hardest part was getting the door handle thing. You have to squeeze this part so you can get through a hole, and then you can pop it right up and out. But pretty easy on the second side. Got the second side off. This one is kind of a pain in the butt because is this tab was turned sideways, so it was hard to get the needle nose pliers in there to get through the hole and pull it out, but here we go. It's upside down, obviously. Got those out, and so those get reupholstered with some new stuff that I'll show you here in a bit. I'm gonna be driving around with no door panels. Hopefully the speakers still work, that'd be ideal, but probably won't sound near as good. Got them loaded up in the huge trunk of the Mustang. Had to put the seats down because, like I said, the trunk's huge. We're gonna take them and get them reupholstered. These are what it is. It's pretty nice leather stuff. I think it's real leather, actually. Hopefully they'll fit. I'm pretty sure they will. Hopefully I can get them in today and then get them back within a day or two, because I don't want to drive my car around that long with without any door panels on. So I'm gonna get these loaded up, call the guy, and see if I can get them in today. Got the leather loaded up, put the door panels in there. I'm going to head to the upholstery shop and drop them off. Got those door panels dropped off. He said that it should be next week when those are done. So hopefully I can get those back early next week. Get those door panels put back on. We should have a pretty complete interior. Crappy door panels. So, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. Peace.